Storytimely brings you Snifflesnoot and the Missing Moonbeam. Snifflesnoot, a fuzzy friend with a snoot that always dripped. One night he gave a giant sneeze. His snooty whistle ripped. Achoo! Blew a poof of air right through a moonbeam bright. The world went dark. No light at all, not even a tiny mite. Boo-hoo! Cried Snifflesnoot. His droopy snoot turned frown. The moonbeam's gone. The night is lost. The bumbos can't sleep around. We need a light, a hoot owl hooted, with blinky worried eyes. Don't you worry, Snifflesnoot squeaked. We'll find it in the skies. With firefly friends, all lit like stars, they flew through glittery goo, following shimmery squiggly light. A wiggly wobbly crew. Look! A firefly buzzed so bright, there's the moonbeam stuck and stuck. In greeny goop, all glumpy-faced, it looked like gooey muck. They wiggled, jiggled, pulled with glee, their silly sound so loud, pop went the goop. The moonbeam whoosh, up in a sparkly cloud. The night grew bright, the bumbos cheered, the hoot owls hooted. Hooray! Snifflesnoot learned a lesson that day. Use tissues every day. Toot, toot, he trumpeted loud, his snoot all clean and neat. No more sneezes in the night. The moonbeam's safe and sweet. This was Snifflesnoot and the Missing Moonbeam, brought to you by Storytimely, with love.